I'm gonna make a cute little shelf sitter. I picked up these at the Goodwill some time ago. I don't remember where, when, but I do have 3 of them. I pulled it out, just a little canvas wine looking thing. I'm going to kind of refab this. So as it's Valentine's coming up, I have been dying to use this. Hey Cynthia, this is Would You Bend, and guys, it's got angels on it. Is this not super cute? So what I want to do is put this all the way around this box, okay, give it a little look. I'm gonna take this super fun sticky stuff that I got at the Dollar Tree yesterday and give the top of this right here a little zhuzh. Kind of layer it up, and I'm going to be using the Totally Dazzled appliques. These are great for a number of things. You can use it to make sweatshirts and put it on hats, and I'm going to use it. I have this little heart that I'm going to put on here. I'm going to leave this silver. I'm going to diamond dust it, and then I've got another little heart that we're going to kind of layer it on, and I'm going to put that there. Then we're going to use our little love here. I'm gonna add some half round wood beads. I'm gonna put this Would You Bend down. So I am just gonna glue this down. Hopefully this will stay pliable for me. And then I think I'm gonna paint this like a pale pink. Look at how pretty that is. It's like a little cherubs. There's different styles. That cute little Would You Bend, super easy to use. So I did go all the way around, just making sure that it's down everywhere. It's on there good and plenty. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this fun stuff. Yeah. And all I'm gonna do is measure around. I'm gonna try to get it as centered as I can on there. I'm gonna go this way, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna get it as centered. I just want to give it a little bit of texture. And then I'm just going to, see if I could just cut right around it. Good enough. I just wanted some texture, because don't forget, we're gonna have this heart on here, so it's probably not gonna matter. And I'm gonna use hot glue. So here's what we got so far. Just refabbing this little box. There's the front. Now I am gonna paint all of this. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint this little sign. So this is all gonna get like painted, and the color that I'm gonna use, because I think it's appropriate for Valentine's Day to go with the Totally Dazzled Blingy Bling Bling. I'm gonna use this paint from Folk Art. It's the chalk paint, and it's the color Pleasant Pink. Bang lid on the table. I just use heat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint this, that pretty pink. I think I might dark wax it, but I don't know. I wanna keep this silver, and I want to diamond dust this. To see how pretty that is? It looks white, but I'm telling you, it's like, this is white. I don't know if I can see the difference. It's a really soft, pale pink. Here's what I was thinking. This with diamond dust, this, it's gonna look so cute. But I was gonna take these little half round beads and put them around here, just for some more depth, and I was gonna add some around here. Let me glue those on right now. Oh, look at how cute that turned out. Ha! All right, so now we're gonna paint this again. And I do have to give, I don't think I have to paint the sides. So that's pretty good. Right there. All right, so here's the top. Look at how good this looks. We got our little angel trim from Would You Bend there. There's that. All right, the only thing I want to do to this is I want to diamond dust this. All right, so I'm doing diamond dust, and I'm just gonna do a layer of diamond Mod Podge on here. Look it out. So it's gonna be all sparkly. It's still a little cloudy from the... All right, so we're gonna bring this back. Do you guys think I should dark wax this? It would totally change the look of it. If so, or do you think I should keep it like a nice bright pink? And then here, that's gonna be over it. Oh, this is so pretty. There's this applique from Totally Dazzled. And I love it. It says love. It says dark wax. Ooh, some of, oh, how about white wax? I don't think white wax you're really gonna know. Oh, isn't that gonna be so pretty? I think I'm probably gonna end up ironing that on. Why not? White wax wouldn't be bad though. White wax is good. It's your white wax. Can you guys see? So that's what white wax says. Okay. All right. So we have our little heart. Oh, let's do the silver. And then maybe I can paint this little thing with silver too. Well, let's get it glued on. So this is this thing, and all I'm gonna do is use some hot glue and some B7000. That looks so cute. Doesn't it look like we bought it like that? I know it's hard to see, but look at all that sparkle. Now we're gonna take our other little heart, and that's gonna go right here. Love this. All right, so now we're gonna try to get some silver. I'm gonna do silver rub and buff, let's get our little love thing on there. This is the Totally Dazzled Love Applique. And I'm gonna glue it. Just enough shimmer on there. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, so we're gonna do the other sides. I love how this turned out. So stinking cute. There's the silver. I know the glare, I'll take it. That's the silver I did all the way around. I do wanna see if I can use this. This is the Totally Dazzled. Even my paint is like thick. I'm just gonna paint it. This is a Gold Angel from Totally Dazzled Valentine's Day pack. And we're gonna paint it with a little very light Parisian gray. Or I could put it right here on top of the O. Oh, I like that. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. I kinda like the way he looks as the O. What if I just glued it right on top of there? I actually like that. Okay, here we go. Oh, I love it. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I think the little dude needs diamond dust, so hold on. So cute. This is super cute.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.